Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna, and welcome to the Ocean collaboration given by I Shoot Crafty Kids Club. What amazing artists we have in store for you over the next 3 days. Today I will be using the cluster tray mold from Resin. That doesn't call out to you, I don't know what. By the ocean's waves and sand. Sea glass is believed to be a mermaid's tears. Gratitude to my members. Your support means the world to me, and I am incredibly thankful for your belief in my creative journey. With special gratitude to those who gave me super thanks last week, I am forever grateful to you. Be happy you did. Please comment, share, and subscribe. Special thanks to I Shoot Crafty Kids Club for putting this collaboration together. What an awesome collaboration. Please be sure to follow the playlist. You'll find it at the end of my video and down below in my description. On to the very talented Holly Fisher art. Next.